All right, so it's a week later since the first time I had it started. I brought the car trailer home. See if it starts right up or if the batteries stay charged. Oh, got a fuel pump. Look at that. Choke set. Awesome. Alright, do we have headlights? Oh, we even have a headlight. At least one, it looks like. Alright. I will turn you back on when I get on the trailer. Alright, so pretty lined up there. Lined up there. Maybe I'll drive straight up. They got tail lights too. Awesome. Alright. Let's see here. I gotta open my door so I can see what I'm doing here. Brake is probably not worthy. Just gonna shut it off here. Kill the lights. Let's see how we did. Probably a little shaky to get the camera work, but oh, look at that, we're perfect. I can even drop the plow, not hit the winch, and theoretically, might have to tip the blade a little bit. Did get a little crooked though, didn't I? That's alright. Oh, my antenna fell down too. Alright, I'm gonna get strapped down. Oh, made it back to town, but it's 14 degrees outside, so I'm gonna wait till tomorrow when we get some daylight. Hopefully a little warmer temperatures to unload it. So here it is, Sunday morning. Last night I brought it into town, but it was about 14 degrees, and so I didn't want to try and unload it. So I just left it on the trailer till this morning. It's a beautiful sunny day at 20 degrees, but at least we got daylight to see to unload it. But here's the old Scout. See, I never did put a bumper back on the back of it. It had a plate steel bumper when I got it, and there was just nothing left of it. It was totally rotted out. The truck, when I got it, had plywood for floors. There was literally no metal in the floor at all. I took and put sheet steel in, and then the seats came out of a Honda. The rocker panel is actually 2x3 square tubing, just welded back into the body, kind of to make it work. Never did try to make it pretty, but plowed snow for me for a long time, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. So time will tell. We'll get it unloaded, and probably won't have time to work on this for a couple weeks, but definitely plow some snow with it this winter. Successfully unloaded.